What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a review on the Uncle Donnie's grooming company. As you can see by the nice logo here, nice, clean, sophisticated. It's simple but sophisticated. We're going to talk a little bit about the company. Company started by Uncle Donnie, aka Donnie Rhodes, located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And he started the company it really started off as a hobby. He was, making his own beard balms and butters on the side just to, just doing it as a hobby to create, try to make a product that would, work for his beard and, soften his beard and condition his beard. And the hobby turned more into a business. He just recently started his business I want to say a month ago. I'm not really sure on the timeline. He just recently started his business, and I'm happy for him starting his own business because he's pursuing something that he wants to do, and I'm all for it. I'm piggybacking off of Bearded Existence. I'm all for somebody who's out here trying to start their own business or do something that they want to do. And this is something that Uncle Donnie wants to do, and I'm all for it. And I'm a back him 100%. And he's made a hell of a product here with the Uncle Donnie's balm and the butter. He's not really focusing on oils right now. He's more into just the butters and the balms. He's just focusing on that aspect, and then maybe later on down the line he'll start off, making oils and stuff. But I'm gonna say right off the bat, I've talked highly of this product before, and I'm gonna say it again. He did not disappoint with the balms and the butter. And the scents that I have is the beard balm. I have the beard balm, the peppermint and lemongrass beard balm, the original scent beard balm, and what else do I have? I have the original scent beard butter, which I've used the hell out of this, and the peppermint and lemongrass beard butter. And it came in, he sent me this nice burlap sack. You can use multi-purpose. You could put your oils, balms, whatever, you carry it along with you. If you don't leave it in your car, you just take it with you if you're on the go. And you put change in it. It's just multi-purpose. It's a good sturdy sack. He also sent me a sticker. Hold on. And he also sent me a sticker, but I already sticked it on my laptop, as you can see by the logo. So you're right. Already sent me that. Sent me that as well. And he was like, Sean, I want you to try out my products and see what you think. He actually sent me a sample before, and I tried it out. I liked it, and he sent me some more out to try to do a kind of a review on, and said, Sean, will you do a review for me? I'm like, sure, I'll hook you up. And I'm gonna tell you right now, his products don't disappoint. If you're looking for a good beard butter, this is the product for you. And he did not disappoint, and I'm being completely, like, he did not disappoint. I've been wearing the hell out, as you can see, I've been wearing the hell out of this stuff. I've been wearing it mainly at night, but I don't have nothing in my beard right now, so I'm gonna probably rock with this, and that's the peppermint and lemongrass scent. And the scent is phenomenal. Like, this is great for, like, in the morning, you need to pick me up. It will wake you up. I'm like, it'll wake them senses up. It gets you going. Like, it's just a good clean scent. And I'll put some in my beard because my beard is just dry because I just got done washing it. Not washing it, but co-washing it. And I'm gonna just work it into the beard. Probably gonna double it up with the balm today, so I can lock in all that good conditioning properties. And it's a good clean. It's like once you get a whiff of it, man, it wakes you up. Like, now you're probably thinking, like, why would I want to wear this at nighttime? You can wear it at night too. It opens you up, man. It's just a good combo. The peppermint and lemongrass. I'm used to seeing peppermint and tea tree a lot together, but this combo, he nailed it with this scent. It's just a good nice scent. Like it's awesome. It absorbs into the beard. Barely got any in my hands. I barely got any in my hands, or whatever I have left, I just take it, rub it on these ashy elbows, knuckles, whatever. I take it, rub it in there, and that's it. And then comb it as usual. I don't have my comb. Well, I do have my pick, but I'm probably gonna get, Sean, you using the metal pick? What you doing? I don't know. You use what works for your beard. I mean, use wooden pick, wooden combs. I got it all. So this is all I have on me right now, but just working into the beard. And I'll probably comb this in when I really get done with this video. But also I'm gonna double it up with the beard balm. And I've been using not quite as much. And the reason for that is because I don't really have something that really goes with this, like a lot of oils and stuff. I've been using it, but and the balm is more of a medium hold. It's not really hard to get out, as you can see. Scoop it out, and I'm gonna lock all that beard butter I just put in my beard with the balm. It's gonna help me style my beard, help me tame them hairs, because my beard is just straight unruly sometimes. And then I'll probably just comb it in later on when I get back in front of the mirror. But a lot of times when I do my reviews, I forget that I already put stuff in my beard and I don't really show y'all how it really works. So but that's pretty much it. And whatever I have left over, what you do is brush your hairs down, keep it tame. And whatever I have left, just rub it on your body and go about your day. But like I said, I'm really high on this product. Uncle Donnie, man, he's doing a awesome job with his stuff right now. And the funny thing about Uncle Donnie is when he was deciding to start his company, he showed me his logo, and he leaked out. He didn't leak it out. He showed me the logo, and I leaked out the logo online on my Instagram. And he was like, Sean, what the hell are you doing? I don't want people to know my logo yet. And that was my bad, Uncle Donnie. So I apologize for that. But I was so excited that he was starting his own, company and stuff. And like I said, I'm all for people pursuing their passions and is doing what they want to do out of life. And I'm very high on this product. The price I'm about to go over in a minute. The Feeling Beard is awesome. It will condition your beard. I've used that at night. I pair that with the beard guard that I have, and in the morning my stuff is laid down like I have perm in my beard. Like it will condition your beard. It works phenomenal in terms of conditioning and softening your beard. The balm is not really a strong hold balm. It's more of a medium hold. I mean, it's gonna lay them hairs down, but it's not like strong hold to me. When I compare beard balms, the strongest holding beard balm that I've used is the Shea Moisture beard balm, and that stuff is some of the strongest holding balm I've ever used. And this is like a medium hold to me. Like this it will lay them hairs down, but that beard butter is the truth. Like it will condition your beard. It does everything that you want in a beard butter. And the thing about me, at first I wasn't really into beard butters because I just wasn't really into them. Like I've only used one beard butter prior to getting the Uncle Donnie stuff, and that was the Maestro's beard butter, and that's more of a creamy type texture. It's more of a lotion than a beard butter to me. And but this stuff it's just awesome. Like I'm really high on it, and it's pretty affordable. And I'm gonna go over the price. We're gonna go over Uncle Donnie's prices. This is my little cheat sheet here, and his 1 ounce balm goes for $10, which is pretty reasonable. 2 ounce balm goes for $15. The 1 ounce butter goes for $12, and the 2 ounce butter goes for $17, which are all pretty reasonable prices. Not overpriced at all. That's like pretty damn good prices. And I don't know if he's gonna do like a Black Friday sale, or I have no clue what he's gonna do with sales coming up with Black Friday and, you know, Thanksgiving, all that stuff, and Christmas. So I have no clue what he's gonna do. Maybe he might give a discount where, you know, 15%. I don't know, but pretty reasonable prices. I mean, like it's affordable. I mean, like I said, I highly recommend this product. If you can get it. I'm very high on the product. And also, let's go over the ingredients as well. And this is my cheat sheet. Organic beeswax is locally harvested. It's like local in the area in Pennsylvania. So it's organic beeswax. Raw mango butter, African shea butter, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil or jojoba oil, however you want to pronounce it. And those are all his ingredients. All simple ingredients, stuff that I could pronounce, just simple to the point, good ingredients. Handcrafted, runs the business on his own. It's just, everything is just, he's solo, like he's doing it all by himself. And like I said, I commend these like especially smaller companies doing it by themselves, like, you know, making these products. And like it takes a lot of work, man. And you can tell in each one of these like tins, it's handcrafted, man. He put his heart and soul into these this product, man. And like I said, I'm very high on this product. I've talked highly of this product in the past, and the reason you don't see the ingredients on the tin is because they screwed up. It's not his fault. It was something with manufacturing, and they couldn't put the label, like the ingredients, the list of the ingredients and all this stuff on the tin. So that's not his fault. He kind of told me about that when he was making the labels and the tins and all that. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do. Highly. Like, this is one of the better butters I've used. Like, it absorbs into the beard, it conditions the beard. It does everything you want in a beard butter. And the balm, the original, like, this is not, but that's the butter, but that's the original balm. You can pair this with like your favorite oil. It doesn't overpower the scent of your oil that you're using. It's versatile. It's just a very good product. And like I said, I've talked highly of his stuff before when I did a video a while back about the beard community is awesome, because he sent this stuff out to me to try out. And I'm very high on him, and I'm glad that he started his business. And maybe someday you probably will see this stuff in like Walmart, Target, somewhere. You're going to see this in somebody's store, because that's how good this product is. I'm not just saying that. His products are often like, they're just good products, like good quality ingredients. And I'm just showing the man some love with the review, because he was kind enough to send the stuff out to me. And thank you, Uncle Donnie, by the way, for sending this stuff out to me to review. It's an awesome product. If please check this man's stuff out. I'm gonna put his information on the bottom of the video. I'm gonna put his information somewhere in this video. He's on Instagram at Uncle Donnie's Grooming Co. It'll pop up. You'll see this nice clean logo. You'll see this pop up. And also has an email, uncledonniesgroomingco.gmail.com. And DM him if you're interested in his products. I believe he's trying to get a website up, but you know how that is. You're doing everything by yourself. So taking, one step at a time. So I'm high on this product. I recommend it. Y'all should go buy it. It's not expensive. It's a very good product, and you could tell in each tin that he's worked his ass off to make this stuff, and I'm very high on it. And like I said, I've talked about this before. I support anybody who's like pursuing something that he wanted to do. And this all started as like a hobby, and I look at him now. He's running his own like small company. Like, that's awesome. That is freaking awesome, to just go from like just doing it as a hobby to something that you're doing as like a business. And this is something that he enjoys doing. So I'm all for it. I'm high on this product. Please check him out. I'll put all his information in the video, somewhere in the video. Please check this man this man's product stuff out because it's just that good. And like I said, they have my beard feeling soft, just like now it's feeling soft, feels great. And his stuff is just, it's just good, man. Like I wasn't really big on butters, like I said before, because I'm just used to like oils and balms. And then Dan C kind of cleared up some stuff about the purpose of beard butter and it's more for conditioning. So I started implementing that into my routine, and it's made a world of difference in my beard. I feel it when I use it at night. I feel it the next day in the morning. It's soft. It lays my beard down. Like, I'm telling you, like, if you use this stuff, it will have your beard feeling so soft, and it would just feel like I put the beard guard like over all that, and my beard was laid out like it was, like I had a perm in my beard. And yeah, but check out Uncle Donnie's products stuff. Check his stuff out. Uncle Donnie's Grooming Co. Check his products out. You would not be disappointed. And with that, I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and please comment down below if there's a product y'all want me to review or check out. I will do my best to try to check that product out. And with that, I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean.